guys, it's Tati. She's currently busy talking to her feet.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Tati. So it is us again. If you guys saw the pool party video, then you would have seen that we were all together in that video. But for today's video, I am here with some of my awesome friends that came to visit me. They came from England. They walked on the seas just to come visit me. So I'm really feeling really special, and I made a lot of time in my schedule today. No, I'm just kidding. They're coming to stay with me in Spain, and we've been having so much fun, so we decided to film girls in the summer then versus now. So like when you were little versus now as a teenager or older, and I think it came out pretty funny, and I'm really excited for you guys to see this. This video is also a collab with my friend Hannah here on YouTube. She will be doing a summer morning routine, and you guys should definitely go check that out and subscribe to her because her videos are so good and I love them so much. I will link her channel down below, so definitely go check that out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let's try to get this video to 650 likes. I think we can do it. Also, don't forget to follow Florence and Lizzie. I was gonna call you Libby. I don't know why you
My feelings!
Don't forget to follow Florence and Lizzie on Instagram. I will have them right here on the screen as well as linked down below. They have awesome pictures, so go check them out. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Musical.ly, and all that fun stuff. I hope you all enjoy this one, and without further ado, let's get started.
Oh, do I need to go that way?
At this moment, you need everything.
I finished all my lunch so I can have this.
I've been a good girl.
I haven't, but I got one anyway.
Oh. Ice cream's the best. I love ice cream.
Maybe it's not good for your body, but it's good for your heart.
It's good for the tongue.
Don't talk to me.
Oh.
I want to enjoy my ice cream, and if you two are gonna fight, then you can go home. And my ice creams, my mom bought them, so. Loser.
Bye.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hi. Did you guys see this new picture?
Oh, cute. Don't jump in. I don't want to get my hair wet. You've got my hair wet! Agadabra! Agadabra!
Coast clear?
Agadabra! Ah! Aya! No! Don't touch the lava! Ah! You got a boo-boo! Penelope is my best friend, and she can heal people with her horn, and glitter comes out of it, and it sprinkles on them, and then they are better. And mommy says that Penelope is really nice as well.
Look it, I'm making fire.
Shh, I'm telling you about Penelope.
Stop being mean!
Don't tell her me.
I'm telling my mom.
I'm sorry. I got a new Barbie the other day and I called her Lola and she's got blonde hair and it's really pretty. Do you have a Barbie?
Yeah, I named her Dolly. And she has rainbow hair. That's so cute.
Oh.
Shoes, walking blues, climb the fence, books and pens. I can tell that we are gonna be friends. I can tell that we are gonna be friends.
Because Mommy says it makes you look cute. I think when I'm older, I want to be a makeup artist.
Yeah, I think we should. Because we're really good.
Like, really good. I think I'm done. Are you done? We look flawless! Lizzie, do you think we look pretty? No, I think
She's just jealous because she doesn't know how to do her makeup like us.
and we look prettier.
Wait, I think we're missing something.
Done!
That's better. Girls, we've been waiting in the car for like 10 minutes. How much longer are you going to be?
Maybe an hour and a half.
It's such a great car, dude.
It's validating.
I feel too awkward. I'm wearing flip-flops. I'm sweaty. Still coming out of it, right? Yeah. That could be a blooper.
How you filmed it went right!
Okay. Oh my god! Okay. Wait, yeah, I'll hold! Okay, I want to do this one. I don't know how to do the backward one. I don't know why I tried to do that.
About your Barbie. Do you have a Barbie?
No. My mommy says we do. I regret that so much.
Look how cool it is.
I hate my life.
Cool, dude.
Sad.
Definitely.
What am I doing?
Izzy!
I'm trapped. God save me. God save me. Oh god. It won't come out. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna record this and we'll just do different poses. Should I do?